Well, I didn't technically win. He doesn't know what he's talking about. All right, it's a year later and skim bike season is upon us again. And here I am with last year's skim bike. And obviously last year didn't go as planned in the sense that I didn't win, you know? So let's address that. As you can see, we have a scale drawing of the current skim bike design. After thorough video analysis, we've determined that there's much too much splashing happening in this region. And I think the reason for that is when I'm all up on here, maybe my butt is in this area and my torso is like up in here, right? My center of gravity is maybe somewhere in there or maybe a little further back, which is right at the leading edge of this rear ski. So what needs to happen is the rear ski needs to be shifted forward. The problem is if this rear ski is up in here, look, it's in the way of the pedals. So the pedals need to be shifted up. I'm gonna put in another bottom bracket right there and the pedals are gonna be shifted up. But that means my big butt's gonna be shifted up. It's gonna raise my center of gravity up and I'm gonna put taller handlebars on too. So I'm gonna be way up high in the sky. Rear ski is gonna be full length, going from the back of the front ski all the way back. So the competition's bike is made out of wood, which is buoyant. Mine is made out of aluminum and steel, which is not buoyant. So last year when I would come to a stop, I'd sink and my bike was like a freaking boat anchor. And Jeff's would float and he could just push his back all the way back to the boat launch and it was super easy. So I needed some buoyancy, so that's why I added some of this polystyrene. Extremely buoyant, maybe too buoyant, I'm not sure. If I have to, I think I'll just tear some of these panels off, but we'll see. The reason I say too buoyant is because in the rules, the bike cannot float with you on it. So this can't be a boat. You can't just indefinitely, cruise out onto the lake. You have to kind of come to a stop, and when you're sitting on it, if you're not moving, you have to sink. So it's how far can you skim, not how far can you float. So there's my 2022 Skim bike. This thing's a winner, man. I'm going 100 yards. I'm going to the other side of the lake. If you want to see me pedal as fast as I can toward a boat launch on this thing, you're going to want to subscribe and watch my next video.